I show you a Chinese dumpling recipe that contains ground pork, horned shrimp, and tofu. Once cooked, the shrimp is visible by transparency and makes the dumpling very appetizing. The tofu makes the filling less compact using little meat. Here are the ingredients for 40 dumplings. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. To learn how to make good dumplings wrappers, you can watch my video. To prepare the stuffing, cut 200 grams of pork loin into pieces. Chop them. Put the ground pork in the mixing bowl. Mince 100 grams of green onion. Chop a garlic clove. Put it with the ground pork. Grate a piece of ginger. Take a half teaspoon. Also put it with the pork. Put a 250 grams piece of tofu in a bag. Squeeze to remove the water and crumble it. Put it in the bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all together. Add the green onion. Mix again. The stuffing is ready. Now, shell the raw shrimp. Keep the tail of the shrimp. Remove their intestinal vein. Notch them to prevent them from curling during the cooking. Put parchment paper in the steamer basket. Now we can make the dumplings. Put a good teaspoon of stuffing in the center of the wrapper. Humidify the outline. Put a shrimp. Fold it in half. Press on the edges. Make a few folds to give a nice shape. Put the dumplings in the basket without touching each other. Steam them over high heat for 20 minutes. During this time, prepare the dipping sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Combine. The dumplings are ready. I like to add chili oil to the sauce. Bon appétit! These dumplings are delicious. The shrimp provide their flavor and texture. Everyone will love them. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.